Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here, everyone. My name is Kenfi. Let's pray. We stand or we sit? So, let's pray. Lord, we come before you today. We thank you for the gift of life. We also thank you for our health. We pray, Lord, for this event today to go well. I also, Lord, pray for our attendees. Be with them, Lord. And the exhibitors, oh Lord, we also pray for them. Let us have a good day. We also pray for forgiveness for our sins. Be with us, oh Lord, and hold our hands. We pray this, believing and trusting in your mighty name. Amen. Mudhoni.
Minutes of fame. So it's good to see you and you representing your brands and your businesses. Yes. Shika before niseme mambo mingi.
Thank you so much. So pick your mat or click my coffee. Thank you so much. This man is an inspiration to a lot of young people because he understands what digital world means to us today. Tumpigie makofi tena, tumpigie makofi, tumpigie makofi tena. We can also appreciate our guests of honor of the day. Let's appreciate our guests of honor of the day. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. We have Dr. Manish. Dr. Manish is the Director of Operations Life Care Health Center. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming, Dr. Manish. We appreciate you. We also have Dr. Sanji Pandey. Oh, wow. Wow. It's a pleasure to have you, Dr. Sanji Pandey. He's the CEO, Life Care. And then we appreciate him, tafadhali. Appreciate him. Wacha niongee Kiswahili, si ndio? Hata sikia. Si ndio? Hata sikia. Mnajua hii jina CEO haikujangi tu hivi, si ndio? So let's appreciate him. Yes, he is the team lead of Life Care. We have seen the team. Thank you for coming through. We also have Dr. Manish. Thank you for coming through. He's the Director of Operations. And all of us who are here, please put it up for yourself and for your brand. Put it up for yourself and for your brand. Okay. So right about now, as per the program, how many of you has the program? Do you have the program with you? Do we have the program? Yes, we do. So we are getting into a segment where we shall be having an interactive segment. We have the keynote speakers coming to us. People who are supposed to shed the light on why we are here and where we are supposed to go to after here. So I'd love to have representation of Nisiri Ventures, please. Representation of Nisiri Ventures. Kindly you can join us in the front. We'd love to have Madam Carol Musioka. Madam Carol Musioka, if you're here, please join us to the front. Madam Carol Musioka, she stepped out. Are you there? Yes, please do come. Let's appreciate her. She's actually the one who's given us this place. Tumpigie makofi mazuri. Ni yeye ametupatia hii place, ametupatia hii nafasi. Let's appreciate Madam Nisiri Ventures. Beautiful, beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies, you can have a seat. You can take a seat in the front. Please, we can have Mr. Okay, let's have Mr. Nick. Mr. Nick, please come to the front. Mr. Nick of Cloud Nest, Mr. Nick Noto of Cloud Nest, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. And then I may need an extra seat, tafadhali. I may need an extra seat for Mr. Martin of Click Sound. Yes. Yes. A seat. Another one, please. Another one. We are going to have also Mr. David of Pata Properties, Tafadhali. You can join us to the front. You can join us to the front. You are the keynote speakers. You can join us to the front. We appreciate you. And then finally, but not the least, we shall be having Madam Linda Kiome of Solution Circle. Madam Linda Kiome of Solution Circle. Because it is about finances. We are here because of money. Somebody say money. Money, money, money. Sindio, we are here because of money. We are all after money. But now we want to learn a lot of things. How we make it in our different worlds, our different perspectives, in our different ventures, and in our different brands and areas of speciality. That is why we are here. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We appreciate you. We have you here because we believe that you have gone so much. You have gone ahead. And of course, we are here to learn and to become better. That is why we have you here. A lot of questions will be coming from the audience, as well as I and my co-MC. And we are here to learn from you. So the flow is going to be theirs. But before then, DJ uko tayari? Sindio? Before then, nitawaomba msimame. Please just rise on your feet. Just rise on your feet. Kidogo tu, tusimame tu kidogo tu. Yes, we want to enjoy. Yes, we want to enjoy. We want to enjoy kidogo. We want to enjoy kidogo. How many of you would love your CEOs dancing? Or do you want to see your CEOs dancing? Sindio, we say that work without play makes Jack. Is it? Sindio, work without play makes Jack a dull boy. Sindio. And then you can't just be working all the time. That's a boring life, I mean. Sindio, tuko tayari. DJ, Sindio. Haya. Okay, twende kazi. You will do what I'm doing. Sindio. And then you clap. I'm on the pretty hapa. Twende. Shini, down. Hey. Hey, we go. Like this. Like this. I'm okay. You wave at me and then you smile. I'm okay. Hey. I am Sunday. Give me. Who are you to judge me like silly? Give me. Woman, what's the how much I want touch your head like this. Let's go. Like this. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much.
I'm unavailable. I know this
Wow, thank you so much. I see. If given an opportunity, you can do it. Cindy, sawa. So we are going to take it to the next level. We're going to take it to the next level. I am Faith. Yes. Now you can take over. Yes, tafadhali.
So, good morning. I'm glad you guys. Oh, it's afternoon. Oh my God. We were scheduled to start in the mornings. I think I'm still loading. So, thank you so much for sparing some time to come and talk to us. I think we'll just start with the opening speeches. And we can't just start without being welcomed to the building because where we are seated, we've borrowed, right? So I want to welcome Carol Musioka to just come and say something to us and welcome us to the building and tell us more about Greenwood City. It's not a mall. That's what she told us. It is a city. So she tells us more about the city and what we expect from the city and what is in for us as Meru people for the Greenwood City Mall.
Thank you. Good morning. Good afternoon. Are we hungry or it's the cold? Good afternoon. So my name is Caroline Musyoka. I'm honored to be here with you and to be hosting the first Meru edition, Trade and Realtors Expo Meru edition. And we are glad to have partnered with Peerage for this event. And today is day one. So welcome, feel at home. So about Greenwood City. So Greenwood City is a mixed-use development which involves apartments, an office block, and the mall. So as of now, you're sitting in the mall. And currently we have both local and the major brands. And I hope you have had a chance or you'll have a chance to just go around and have an experience. The beauty about the city is that it's very wholesome, and we want to bring an experience like no other in Meru and in the greater Mount Kenya region. So we invite the business community and also the entrepreneurs to come and be part of the story. Our tagline is, it is the ultimate destination in this region. And we want to make Meru great. So feel at home and feel welcomed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Carol. We appreciate even for giving us that opportunity. Next is the Peerage Director, Mr. David Dongo.
We can do it better. For David, we can do it better, Tafadhali. Let's give it better for Mr. David. He is why we are gathered here. Sawa sawa. Let's clap for him in a better way. We appreciate it, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. Mugeni. I wanted to start in the morning. So now, good afternoon. The life care management. Today we are calling it the Life Care Hospitals family. We are a family. Welcome very much, and we really appreciate your presence here and all the support that you've given us. To the mall management, thank you also for making our inaugural expo to happen. To all other panelists and all our partners, I may not mention each one of us, but we are very grateful. Today is a big day. It is a journey that we've started for very many miles. So Peerage is a marketing agency. We are based all over Kenya, but our main office is in Nanyuki, and now we are in Meru, being our neighboring county. So mostly we do our marketing through trade expos, and that is why we saw the opportunity in Meru to come and bring the synergy, what we've been doing in other counties. We brought it to Meru, and we are very grateful to the reception that we've received. I see some of our partners like National Cooperative Housing Union, that is NACHU, that we've worked with the last 7 years that you've had expos in Nanyuki. I will also mention St. Christopher's schools. Those are people who've had for more than 5 series that you've done the expo. And today, for those, I know she has called me the CEO of Peerage, but I also have another boss that I can see behind me. Her name is Charity Nyoike. She's our CEO at Nisiri Ventures. And for those who maybe 2 months ago, no, it's a month ago, there's an event that we did in Nanyuki called The Woman. And I know the reason she's here. She's also looking at extending it to this side. And we really appreciate what we're doing for the women and for the girl child. So, karibu, my boss. Short, sharp sentences. We are here to compare notes on what we do in our various fields. We are also here to learn. We are here to have fun. We are here to trade. And I will take this opportunity to welcome you to Greenwood Mall, to Meru. And let's have 3 days of good business, knowing each other. And I know we're going to have, for the person that is exhibiting next to you, make sure that you know your friend, what we call business to business. Because if today you talk to the Life Care Hospital team, they have thousands under them. So when you see Life Care here, it's not just the 5-10 people that are here, but it's thousands under them. So make sure you know what you do and what you can trade with them. All our friends who are here, Solution Circle, it's a whole network, not only in Kenya, not only in Meru, but they are well spread across the country. So before even we think of the visitors, the attendees who will visit the mall, let us know what each one of us does here and what we can assist each other. And hope you're going to have a good 3 days. And I will also take this opportunity to thank the team that has brought this together. I know for the 3 days we'll be here, we'll be able to know each other. And for those of us with the profiles, please assist us so that our digital team is able to also talk to the rest of the world digitally. I know Meru TV is here. They are covering this live, so all over Kenya and beyond you're being seen. I know we'll be going to the various stands, so give them the information they need, that which will be able to make other people know what you do. And thank you very much, and may the good Lord bless you. Karibuni.
Thank you, David. Before we continue, our Meru branch chapter, KNCCI, the director is here, Mr. Gikaru. So I would want you to address people before we can proceed with the program. Karibu sana. A clap for him kindly.
Thank you very much, MC. My name is Gikaru. I work with Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I am the current CEO. We have 12 directors in Meru County. Our chairman is Joshua Mungania. Vice chair is KK Mutai. We have other directors that represent each and every region in Meru. Let me take this opportunity to thank the PRH for organizing this event, Karo Mutiso for also hosting us, and all the panelists and the members of the business community in Meru that are represented here today. It is actually my duty to welcome all the business community here to tell you, here in Meru, we are ready to support you in terms of expanding your business and pushing your business and making it visible within the Meru County. Currently, we are working on creating caucuses on all businesses in Meru. We have 45 businesses, and my experience from the way I have spoken to them, there is no business, or very few of them have a caucus that is organized that they can speak to one another. So all the many businesses that we are having in Meru, which do not have a caucus, we want to help them come up with a caucus so that we can be able to speak in one voice when it comes to pushing our business agenda. And one of the things that we want to do is also to help the very same business community to have their circle beginning next year, so that they will be able to leverage with other circles within the county. Otherwise, we shall see much even as we engage in this forum. Thank you and God bless you.
Yeah, blessing too. Thank you very much. So right now, before we proceed to the next talks, we'll do a launch for this expo, and we'll be helped by the CEO and the director for Life Care. So I will request them to proceed there so that we start the launch. Remember, we are live on Meru TV and all our social platforms. That is Meru TV Kenya, Meru Digital, Meru TV at FB. So we are live on all our socials plus live TV. Kindly, you can send the link to your people. I will ask the team to send the link so that we are able to send it to the groups and all of us for guys to see what we are doing. My name is Faith Geshoro. I'm the station manager for Meru TV, and also I'm an HR consultant. So I work with Lex Logic Enterprises. That is an HR consultant consulting company. Thank you.
Wow, let's give it up for Faith. Interesting. And ladies and gentlemen, mabibi na mabwana, is it the time we have been waiting for? happening for the very, very first time. Neighbor, the very first time. Tell the very first time. You can shake them. You can shake them up. You can shake them up. Let them get to understand it's happening for the first time. It has not happened before, is it? We've not had this any other day, any other time. And we are privileged to be the people. Imagine you're a pioneer. How do you feel? How do you feel? Being a pioneer, being a starter. So now let's stand up on our feet. We can rise up on our feet right about now because we are about to launch one of the greatest business expo that we've had in Kenya region, in the Upton region. DJ, my mic is failing me in a bit. So this is the very first time that we are launching this. It has not happened before. So put your hands up like this. Put your hands up like this. Both of them, both of them, both of them. Are you ready, my DJ? Both of them, both of them. Shangwe, Neremo, Vigelegele, Vifijo. Let's give it up for the Meru Business Expo. Clap your hands. Let's go. For the very first time, it's happening in Meru County. Welcome on. Come on. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Listen up. Follow me. Let's go. 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 Going round. Going round. Let's go. We're going round. Hey. I want to see you dancing, somebody, if you're happy. Represent your God. Hukuna, zunguka kama upendo wa Yesu. Walizunguka. Come on. Zunguka kidogo. Biashara yako. Yeah. Mikono juu ya hewa, mikono juu ya hewa, mikono juu ya hewa. Kwa kiuno, kwa kiuno, kwa kiuno, kwa kiuno. Are you happy? Are you happy to be here? Yeah. Swede, answer keyboard. Na leo.
Tena waiteni paparazi
Okay.
warushe kwa mitandao.
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Miguu yako.
Lemwita yo baby umenaya na baby ulimuna kipenzi nimshenza kupendi kama kwa nimejihani mambo mingi duniani sisi siwezi siwezi
This other side.
DJ no araniri no bichichia Meru TV na There FM okaigwa kuri nonto bote okugwiria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone na ndi no tume maoni yaku gukurokira email yetu iria ni merutvcomplaincenter@gmail.com kana turingire thimo gukurokira 0114 190 962. Meru TV, kionere mwanya.
Yes, niaje wadau, from me DJ Smack to you, as a Tetemesha family, we just wanna wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tupataneni hapa hivi 2024 majaliwa, ni msimu wa kushare, share na neighbor yako, share na mwenye hana, Mungu atawabariki. Si ndio, usipiga sherehe lakini sherehe usiache.
Tulipandana kigonga majega na mwaka yo mwero.
The BT Sacco ndio sako ya kwetu ongerete mandone jaki mbesha na tulaje ukinyira kiroto gyaku netojenaga utungata bwa mithemba ije no savings jaza savings account, the BT Total savings account, school fees account, the BT fixed deposit, minor savings account, business account, women savings, institutional savings, microcredit savings account na kinya salary account. Nombe nyo tuliongera kredo angisieto irere maua, mekindori, mudhara, mishimekoro, kianjai, adhi na kinyarare. Kana uturingire thimu gukurukira namba ije 0701911765. Kana utume email kere info@btsacco.co.ke. The BT Sacco, our Sacco, our growth.
Amen, 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 hallelujah. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Badayo 11 kamustari kamirongo iri na inyanya. Rutoto rwa motha ndugatwira atiri ejeni kiri oni bwe na mirigo emerito na ninkomba kuthwa akibonekera kunogoka igitariri gutena kuruka rungura ryowa Jesu Kristo nawo gweta kiriwe nikena komba kuthwa agigo kamatia mirigo yonde iragwithirite ugikamatana nayo emerito.
Ufanye imara agano, ufanye imara agano, Bwana, Bwana.
Watanira na oni dene ya mubango joa metameta ntuko chonde cha kiumia kwa mbiria Jumatatu mwenka juma damu gwaja na nusu mwenka dha 10. Tugwatanire twakane naoni kamwadhani.
Nyume ya kiumia gekira jana kirina minogano kubasha kanyaga kunogoka
na nimesha shindwa kukonga
Nandi tetemesha mashariki ego kinya nogora mbaru na winya kauna na dombo mwanki shiake nandi nesha au kanyuma kana wenda tuishitaga mitulinga Kana ne Jumamosi chonde kwambia thithano cia rukiri mwaka thinyanya cia muthenya ureteli ni Kenfree kana wenda Kenwave.
Niko na one life to live mimi nataka muni celebrate. Niko na one life to live mimi nataka muni celebrate. Leo tunadorime
machine karawenda nyuma ya Dex ugakunda urembo mwanki ni Ramsey na Real.
She on business.
She on business.
Rikana nende tumesha mashariki 101.2 Very FM.
Very FM Realtors Expo Meru.
Muraidheria wa Meru TV wetherito we mwanka omwega mwanka wa 2023 mwankora wetherito wo yori idhari mwebe murungu ende mwana bobo ikwetherito kwena metia na mena matabura webwethere bwa muturire na endega gukinya kagita gukungwira guciaro kwa kagenke Jesu Kristo amwana gukungwira mwanka omwero wa 2024 na niga kimuteginga gucokeria nkatho che mwanyano ntubo kuthura mutambo wakura wendete Meru TV na gutuwatambaru mwanka wunde mwanka twakinya kagita gakuinga kalenda ya 2024 ngakwendera Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2024.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Kuma megona ya Saudi Menti wambetaga Jeff Gituma. Ini nkuretera ntoto kire Meru TV na Dhere FM. Ondereka kenke kaguciaro ankorone chetu. Itukwendera mutegeri wetu na muthikeri wetu. Ethere na thigonkwenjaga na mwaka jo mweru twina idharimo kumake wathani Murungu. Merry Christmas bega tonani mwaka wa 2024.
first ever event that we are having to showcase and to appreciate the diversity and also more the talents, what God has blessed us with. So I feel welcoming all municipality. I'm looking forward maybe next year to have a bigger one than this one, so that people can understand that municipality we are enjoying, not just with we are enjoying so much and we can take advantage of it.
Makofi kwake, makofi tena, makofi. And now, ladies and gentlemen, John Pambe, we are bringing to us the man of the day. Is it the man of the day? Man of the day. And this is none other. Say none other. None other. None other. None other. Then, yes, Dr. Sanjivo, the life care business. And no, thank you so much. What a lifesaver. Please give it up for this gentleman. Wow. I think you've saved the day. Hey, God bless you. Tupigie makofi tena. Asante sana. Sasa hata strain, ndio? Sasa hata hangaika. Asiki Kiswahili by the way. Hata hangaika sasa, ndio? Asanteni sana. You're very much welcome, sir. We appreciate you being here. Can you speak to us? We are ready to learn. Karibu.
And thank you for giving this opportunity to come and be a part of this great function here in this hall. And we Life Care, we are the healthcare partners, and we are not only here in Meru, in most of the country. We have total 5 hospitals. We have hospitals in the Purvama, Igori, Meru, Kikuyu and Eldoret. And soon we are coming with 2 more hospitals in the country. With that, we will have a close to the 1,000 bed capacity to work with and to help the society. We have always been a part of the community, and we always do a lot of the CSR activity. The same part of the work, like we have today we had a small function with the Vadavara team, and we are also having a many more programs to come. I'm just here to welcome all of you, and I've been honored to be a part of this inauguration.
Dr. Sanjeev Pandey. His name is Dr. Sanjeev Pandey. My goodness. Wow, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. And Life Care, you're just doing an amazing job. We appreciate you. And all the partners that we are having here in the health sector, we appreciate you being here. So pick him a coffee as we show up to you. Then we can have our seats, ladies and gentlemen. As I say this up, we can have our seats. We can have our seats. We can have our seats. So as you can see in front of me, we have a panel of speakers. We have different people, different leaders in different specialties or disciplines. People who have gone ahead, and that is why we're having them to speak to us today on different matters, different categories. And we're going to start off. With Madam Lina Krone, who is also, not really, yes, you're representing Solution Circle. It is all about money. Tell me money. We are here because of what? Money. We are doing business because of if you don't have the knowledge about it, it may not go so well. So I'll give her a chance, just 2 minutes actually. Just tell us what you have from the table so that we can take the mic round, then we can disperse, then go and do other businesses downstairs. So.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Linda Kada. I'm representing Solution Circle. I'm the team lead, marketing in Meru region. And we are very humbled to partner with PRH for the 5th time in a row. And being the first of a kind in Meru County, we are privileged to be part of this great event. And Solution Circle is a teacher-based, started way back in 1976. We rebranded Solution Circle in 1993. This year, we celebrated our 30th anniversary, meaning we've grown. We have 31 outlets in 10 counties. So you can be assured, you go to the northern part in Moyale, you find us there. You go down to Mombasa, you find us there. And thank God for that. And I was asked to talk about agro-innovation. And agro-innovation, I believe it is the use of technology to improve on our economic activities.
Sorry, I will cut Kada 1 minute. These guys want to leave, so I would want them to say bye to us before they leave. Yeah, they just want to leave.
Thank you, everyone. Please continue.
Thank you.
Solution Circle, we partner with the civil servants, we partner with the private sector, we partner with the business community, and when it comes maybe to those people in agriculture, we have products tailor-made for them. We do dairy farming, we do beekeeping, we do coffee, tea. So everyone should feel welcome to come and join us. So many people have the notion that it's a Mwalimu circle now that it was started by teachers, but we've diversified. You can be able to join us. I will talk little about our accounts. We've done a lot of investments ourselves. We've done a lot of savings, but I don't know whether we are ready. We are teaching the next generation about this saving culture. So I will mention about our Hippo Junior accounts. We would like to empower the next generation, and the best way to empower them is to teach them on how to save. So in Solution Circle, we normally have financial literacy programs going on. And you as a parent, you can enroll your child, open an account for him or her. It will earn interest, and the child will also learn to save. We also do investment in terms of share contribution. Next year, the second week of January, I believe we are going to pay the dividends for the shareholders, those who have invested with us in terms of the shares. And I believe we are the best in the region in terms of the rates. So we are welcoming you all. We are doing loan products even for the civil servants and other business community. The loans go all the way from 1 year up to 10 years. We do asset financing. We have a holiday account. It's a time people are going out there to enjoy themselves. We have an account where you can save. We've partnered with the Bonfire Adventures, where we can organize for you a trip with your family and loved ones to be able to enjoy. So I've been given a very short time. You can see Udon is coming. I will welcome you to our desk. We have a desk at the first floor, and at the entrance, Palepwa Gate, we welcome you to come and visit us. We are selling land at Nanyuki. We have our medical cover going up to 100 years. So I believe it's the best gift you can give to our parents right now. You get a cover for your parents, both inpatient and outpatient. We've partnered with AAR. Thank you for giving us the best product in the market. So let us be able to, let us even empower our parents, because we have the NHIF, but I believe it's not enough once our parents have retired. We have the medical cover, we're covering them up to 100 years. So feel welcome at our stand for more inquiries. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tumpigie Linda makofi. Asante sana. We appreciate you. At least we've gotten to know what Solution Circle is all about. But I will say this strategically or with a lot of, yes. I want to say that we are going straight to the topics. We have different topics of the day. So you get a chance. The rest of the stories we'll get to know about them at the stands. Sawa. So we get a chance, we want to know you, and please tackle the topic that we are having. So right about now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be having one man called Mr. David Kemati, and he's coming to speak to us about real estate. Somebody say real estate. I hear nowadays we are not doing just normal banking. We are doing land banking and property banking. So he's here to teach us and to tell us something about it, and especially in Meru County today. Meru County is one of the most growing counties that you have in the country today. So real estate and property, everything to do with management of property, please take us through in 5 minutes. If 3, the better.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is David Kimadi Guru, team leader at Pata Property. With your permission, Budoni, I will be allowed to at least speak something little about Pata Property, right? And that opportunity I'll give it to one of my team members, Mikal, shortly. Karibisha na makofi. Mpigie makofi.
Good afternoon. My name is Mikal and I work with Pata Property, and I want to tell you more about the project that we are working on. So Majiga Homes is an market tranquil home development to local estates, Meru. The housing features modern family bungalows designed to promote harmonious community living. Drawn from Meru rendition for Hebrew concept of shalom, holistic wellness, Magical Homes is a community where all will thrive every way. Let me tell you about salient features about Magical Homes. It contains a spacious second lounge flowing into the dining area, open plan kitchen with modern cabinets, granite tops and a separate pantry. Well-manicured lawns, contemporary pergola covered with terrace and cabro paved parking spaces. Show house ready for viewing, free site visits. Freehold title deed guarantee per house. Follow us on Twitter, Pata Property KE, Facebook, Pata Property KE, Instagram, Pata Property KE, and on TikTok, Pata Property KE. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
That's one. Mpige makofi. That is part of mentorship, mentoring the next generation. So, I was asked to speak about real estate trends, prospects, and sustainable practices, right? And personally, I've been into I've been in the real estate for the last 8 years, and I have an experience of 8 years, so I can share some wisdom concerning the upcoming trends and prospects in the real estate. Mko tayari? Mko tayari? We were speaking with my friend Martin, and Martin was telling me a story about trees, whereby trees shed off their leaves during the dry season for them to survive. So we must be able, for something to be sustainable, it must be able to adapt to the current trends. So I want to welcome you to reason and walk through the current trends that are in the real estate sector that will help us to shed leaves in the real estate sector so that we can survive, right? So the first trend is the remote work impact. Previously, everybody used to work from their office, but after COVID happened, everyone can bear as witness that people have started working from home. So that has actually positively impacted the real estate industry, but not the office spaces, but now the home demand has gone up, whereby you can have your home as your office, and your employer allows you to work from home. So definitely, people who are given those opportunities, definitely end up choosing the low income areas where they can afford the housing units. So that has positively impacted the real estate industry, whereby the demand for suburban areas homes has gone up. So if you are to invest, you still have good market like Nanyuki. Meru is still an upcoming market whereby you can build your home. You can even build already homes, and we'll have people coming there to maybe for a staycation or sometimes even work from an already home, right? So the remote working part has actually positively impacted the real estate. The second one is where my friend Martin thrives, the technology integration. The technology or the property tech, sometimes you shorten it and call it PropTech. So PropTech has actually shifted the real estate in a very big way, whereby we have technology for automation, whereby you can even open your gate. You do not even need an watchman who is going to open your gate. Once you do the automation, so that means there's a market for automation, there's a market for the real estate integration. Also, there's another big market whereby you can, when you're selling property or you have your real estate project, you can have people tour your project virtually. Like maybe, I hope the Green would have such a thing whereby you are able to tour do a virtual tour of the Greenwood Mall. That would actually help a great deal in marketing, whereby your clients are not forced to come to your site for site viewing. They can do that virtually, maybe on your website, maybe on your social media pages. So the technology has actually impacted the real estate. You can take advantage of technology to cut costs. Sometimes the site visit costs. For example, when you visit our showroom, you are able to see the house, the actual house. We do a fly-through when you're just at our showroom. So technology actually helps us cut costs or the unnecessary site visits. The other trend is the adaptive reuse. The adaptive reuse. And I would encourage everyone to be very keen on this, because if you've been long enough in Meru, you know of Blue Towers Hotel, a perfect example of adaptive reuse. Blue Towers was a hotel, but the owner of Blue Towers adaptively reused the property and converted it into a hospital, where we now house life care. So sometimes you find yourself, you have a vacant house within your premise. You can adaptively reuse it, maybe do an Airbnb there. I would not personally encourage people to demolish old houses. You can just renovate them and find creative ways where you can reuse those houses. Secondly, another big issue that pertains the adaptive reuse is our wasteful lifestyles. Sometimes we don't find old as gold, but if you're widely traveled in some big cities, you find the best and the most busy buildings are the old buildings, whereby they're able to kind of preserve the historic or the historic or the memories of that place. So we should be encouraged to adaptively use our spaces and remodel them in a way that is going to be financially profitable. Another major issue is the aspect of professionals and planning. basically in this region, because I've been in this region for quite some time, people are used to the basic planning whereby you get a fundi, do your house with the basic planning. At most, people do an architectural drawing, but to adopt
going that route is at least you're able to visualize your project well, financially speaking.
Like assuming the washing machine. Nowadays in our unit we find people who have washing machine. And yourself, you're forced to redo the for new wiring for the electrical part, and another has to afford certain things. Supplies from someone based in Nairobi through the online the same, and the people who are selling those products are not in Meru. Others are even based in Nairobi, sindio? So we should be aware of the supply chain disruption. And finally, the economic factors. Si mnajua? Sawa. So the local and the global economic factors are affecting us as the real estate industry. Ability of people to afford the building materials, and the economic factor leads us to think about the affordable housing units. So like us in the industry, we are forced to kind of develop products that are affordable, that can actually either complement or compete with the current affordable housing being done by the government. So let us be alert, but the real estate is the most real sector. We have very many sectors, but it's a real sector. I would encourage one to intentionally invest in real estate, because real estate is real. Real estate is real. Is real. You can see it. Umesimama hapa umekalia hii nyumba. This is real estate, sindio? You can't go wrong with real estate. But if you want to get it right, kindly be updated and make sure that the trends uko nazo rada, sawa? So thank you so much for your time. Karibuni, pata property. We have our tent down there at the entrance. Mkuje tueleze more about Majega Homes. Thank you so much.
na asante sana PRH. Asante.
Asanteni, tumpigie makofi, tupigie watu wa Pata Property makofi. Ameongea kuhusu kitu very important, unatafuta fundi cheap na unataka kupatiwa nyumba inakaa vile unataka, si ndio? Alafu unapata nyumba inakaa hivi, you know, umetoa pesa yako close to let's say 10M, alafu natafuta fundi cheap, kidogo kidogo unaanza kusikia zinalika hapa chini. So it is very important to get professionals to help you build your houses. Let's clap for Mr. Timothy once again of Pata Property or Majiga Homes. You need more information, go look for them downstairs. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going far as tourism is concerned. So many tourism. Myself, I am a local tourist. I love traveling a lot. And Meru County, Nanyuki, Isiolo, you go to Samburu. I mean, Kenya, we are starting to embrace and adapt local tourism, which is a good thing. So right about now, I'd love to invite a beautiful lady because we need to balance. Nisiri Ventures, thank you so much for coming through. Speak to us about tourism and especially in Mount Kenya region.
Thank you. I think we give a hand to our MC and her good energy. Well done. I look forward to even working with you for the upcoming woman event. And then again, before I even proceed, I want to thank David so much. If consistency was a person, I think David Nderito, who is the pioneer of the Realtors Expo, has done a great job, because year and over another year and another year, I think the expo is now as old as my firstborn son, and he's not failed us, and it keeps getting bigger and better and even expanding to the neighbors in the region. So we give a hand to David even for pioneering Meru Expo. Well done, David. He said I'm his boss, but I think it's the other way. We come a long way. We were once employees in the banking sector, and now we are here by God's grace. So, my name is Charity Nyoike Bawa. I'm the CEO, Nisiri Ventures. I'm also in real estate. I agree with you, real estate is real. And you can never go wrong with real estate.
But beyond that,
I run a foundation that is so close to my heart. It's called The Woman by Nisiri. And it's a platform for empowering women. So I think I was told to speak about entrepreneurship and the opportunities that are there in the tourism sector, but I think I would have been given one about the woman because it's something that is so close to my heart, but I'll try and marry the two. So I think where I can start is to talk about the number of young entrants that have come into our region. Somebody has said that she's very passionate about traveling, local tourism or domestic tourism. We have seen that go up a lot. That's why companies like Bonfire Ventures are thriving. It's to tell you, even when we are talking about tourism, we're not only thinking about the people who are coming from outside the country, we are thinking even about our own local population. Right now, I think tourism is contributing to more than 10% of our GDP in the country. And to think about that, I wonder what percentage is coming from the Mount Kenya region. Anybody can give us a guess, a good guess? Quite a significant one. I believe that. So, tourism, at Nisiri Ventures, we do real estate. And what we do in real estate, we sell land. So we subdivide land and sell. At the same time, we have a premium project right now, which is called Nisiri Sweet Waters, which is right next to the Olpajeta Conservancy. And what we are looking at is at developing it into what we call Airbnb business and building something that is a type of a holiday home. Why are we doing that with Nisiri Sweet Waters? Because we own homes within Nanyuki town, and we have seen the business that has come through Airbnb in Nanyuki. So we run Nisiri Homes, which is a sister company of Nisiri Ventures, and we have seen the growth in the Airbnb business, both in Nanyuki, and I understand Meru is the same, because we can see the amount of traffic every weekend that is coming towards this side. So that is number one, to tell you that the best opportunity that we can think about when it comes to the entrepreneurship opportunities in the real estate sector, in the tourism sector, for me personally and through experience, I feel that Airbnb business, as they call it, or homestays, is really doing well. So the expanding infrastructure is something also to mention that is really driving the tourism business in this region, in the Mount Kenya region. We can all agree that is doing very well. And the growing economy. So there's so much increase in demand for housing and commercial property. I mean, you can see this mall. It's quite new, and you can see the occupation already. You guys are doing well. Good job. Yeah. So that is an indicator that this region is growing massively. You don't want to be left behind when we are talking about just taking advantage of the opportunities that are coming in our region, in Mount Kenya region. And thanks to devolution, I think we can all attest the rural-urban migration has decreased a whole lot. Majority of us are very young people. We should be in Nairobi, no? Cindy, no, not anymore. It's not even a bragging thing anymore to say that you live in Nairobi. We are seeing our towns grow and become independent. Right now, you don't need, if you need classy makeup, you don't need to go to Nairobi anymore. You have Linton's here, right? If you need any quality product, our I think I'm seeing such amazing shops within our own Meru, within our own Nanyuki. So please don't be left out. Just take advantage of the opportunities that are coming up, business opportunities in this tourism space. And with those few remarks, I just want to say thank you very much. And please, somebody said application is key. What you learned today, make sure you apply. Please visit all the business sites that are here. Let's support one another and keep growing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We appreciate her. We appreciate her better. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Charity of Nisiri Ventures. She's spoken about something very, very important. You know, right now, what are they called? Summer bunnies, eh? Summer wamekuja, sindio? Summer bunnies are home, right? And they're all looking for Airbnbs. They're looking for where can we go and chill. They want to take selfies with cows. They want to take selfies with chicken. You know, show them places to go to. That is still tourism. We appreciate you for that input. We appreciate you so much. So after her, we are having Caro Miss Musioka of the Greenwood City Park. The Greenwood City, yes, the Greenwood City. We are here because they are. Many years ago, Meru County was so behind, by the way. Atukukwa proud. We were never proud. Or were you? If you've been to Meru, by the way, ulukuna fika Nairobi unasema nimetoka Meru, ulukuna sika kuingia chini ya kiti. Because nothing good ever happened in Meru. But right now we have the biggest mall literally in the upper eastern region. Let's give it up for Caro Musioka. Karibu sana.
Good afternoon again. Can I get a better one? Good afternoon. I know it's past lunch hour, so I'll make this brief so that you can all have an experience being here. So once again, thank you. Thank you to everyone who's made time to be part of this journey, the first ever Trade and Realtors Expo in the Meru edition. Personally, I'm very challenged that people came in their numbers, and that shows that there's a hunger for the business community and the entrepreneurs amongst ourselves to do something. And I'd like to thank the panel for taking also their time to come here. So I've been tasked to talk about the Greenwood City. So when we started, I know many people refer to this place, Pale kwa Naivas. So the name of the place is Renewed City. As early as I said, it's a mixed-use development which has a mall, apartments, and an office block. So this is phase 1, which we finished the mall. The next phase is we're going to go to the apartments, and the final phase will be the office block. So I believe that we will all have an opportunity for the next 3 days to take time and just go around into the mall. As you can see, we have achieved an occupancy of over 70% in less than 12 months. And we expect that number to significantly increase by next year, because we still have other brands that are coming on board, and we'll start onboarding them as of next year. So like she said, in the mall you can find an array of brands on site. If you want your makeup done, you can go to Linton's. If you want your child to be checked, you can go to Gertrude's. For the financial institutions, we have Stima Sacco, we have Cooperative, we have Ukulima, and next year KCB will be joining us. So that's a plus for us. And also for the local brands, I'd like to recognize the local brands that from the Meru, homebred from Meru. I'd like to recognize Felicities, Favor Royal, who else am I? There's Lynn Marie, thank you. There's also Beauty Haven. Those are the local brands who wanted to be part of this story. And I'm really encouraged by them, because you know, when you come into a mall, you expect the big brands who've made it, the likes of Java, the likes of KFC, just to name a few. But having a local brand be part of the story, that shows significant growth within the county. So I'd like to encourage every entrepreneur in this room, every business person in this room, do not be afraid. Just take the leap of faith, because even the conception of this came as a dream. And now, when that dream becomes reality, you get partners and developers, and now it becomes a reality. So the next phase is the apartments, which I would like to say they're currently at 50% occupancy. 50% booked off plan. So that is something that we have to finish, so that people can come in and take up their homes. We've noticed that in Meru, we have a challenge of housing. People have land, but they don't want to build. So we're trying to figure out, is it an issue of financing, or is it they want something complete? And that's why it's a mixed-use development. That's why we want to build the apartment, so that when you come to Meru, you have a piece of Meru with you. So thank you for taking time, and congratulations to the MC. She's really good. I hope we'll give her business. And thank you very much.
Wow, let's appreciate Carol. Carol walituletea aibu. Semeni aibu. Mnakumbuka kitrend? Ati hatujui kupanda elevator. Mnakumbuka? I can imagine Carol, you brought to us aibu. But you're better today. We are better today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time. Semeni tumetoka analog, tumekuja digital. And I want to recognize the presence of Mr. More Kimathi of Masters Cafe. Oh, Semeni tick. We also want to appreciate the presence of SK Babies in the house. Asante sana mami for coming. You want to clothe your babies this December. She is a person to go to. Just stand and wave at us. Yes, that's her. SK Babies shop right in town. Asante sana. So right about now, I want to bring to us the man. Another person who is very key to our being here today. Literally every single business, as big, as small, as young as you are, you need to be in the digital space. Sawa sawa. And right now, Mr. Nicholas Neto is coming to speak to us about digital marketing tactics for small and established businesses. Because men, saizi kama hauko FB, Instagram, ama TikTok, manze hauko kwa biashara. Sawa sawa. Yes, Mr. Nicholas, please.
Thank you, Mudhoni. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be in Meru. I've seen great minds, great business people. Just to introduce myself is Nicholas Neto. I'm the CEO for Cloud Nest. We are based in Nairobi and also Nanyuki. We are partners with PRH. We are spearheading the digital sector because, as David has introduced PRH, they are a marketing agency that connect businesses through exhibitions and trade expo like the one that we have in Meru. So basically, maybe just to introduce what we do as CloudNest. It is a digital company where we focus on communication. In this case, we normally use three devices. That is, we have a software, we have display screens. Like on my right, you can see there's a white screen there that is showcasing all the businesses that are participating in this Meru Expo. We do that by the use of a software where you don't need to use a USB. All you need is to just log in to the link and you can easily upload your content, and within a second or 2 minutes, the content is already running on the screens. Now, you realize that currently there is so much marketing that is taking place, and sometimes you cannot quantify who sees your advert and comes to your shop or to your whatever business you are as a result of an external marketing you've done. So for CloudNest, what we do, we say customers are the people who come to enjoy your services. So I'm sure everyone has a screen that they display maybe the Citizen TV. So for CloudNest, we try to make sure you change that TV station to be your salesperson. So as someone comes to your office or to your, let's say your shop, and you are trying to do some shopping, the screen should be displaying more content about what you are doing, about the services that you are doing, without necessarily going to the customer and talking to him. So that is one of the things that we are trying to push to businesses, and that entails to even small business people to the large business at large also. The other thing we are also championing is about the use of interactive screens, because you realize sometimes when a customer comes to your shop and he gets a service rendered to him or her, you may not ask the person outright how he felt about your service. So we have screens that are tailored for customer feedbacks. So when someone comes to your shop and he does the shopping, he can easily, before walking out, give a feedback of how they feel of your services, which again, you can use that information to know what you can rectify and what you can change. So we have a booth at the entrance of the first floor. So for more information, you can visit us. We have quite a number of interesting products that businesses can adapt. And the last one thing before I stop talking about CloudNest, the cloud software, it's something that any youth in every place or even in this county of Meru can leverage on it and become a great entrepreneur. Because what we do, we give you some links and you can subscribe as many businesses within the Meru region to actually have the software on their screen, and train also the businesses to know how to control content on the screen. And what happens for us, we give them at a resale value. So meaning they are going to earn money out of it. And these people, what they do, they are under the account of the salesperson. So this person can comfortably make money. You don't need to go to any travel to Nanyuki or to Embu to go and look for customers. The customers are right here. In fact, if you have a youth who is willing to be trained, let me know so that I can book an appointment with Manish so that he can close life care for the software. Thank you. Now, I've been mandated to talk about digital marketing. And I'm sure this is a common topic that everyone understands. Basically, maybe to talk what is digital marketing, it's the use of internet and a device. And the device can be a tablet, it can be a laptop, it can be a phone, where you can create any information and you can send to numerous people to know about your product. So basically, digital marketing is where you create a content and send to people to connect your business, your brand to your customers in different places. I will not talk much about the digital marketing because I have my colleague here who will also expound more on it. I've been mandated to talk about innovation and adaptability in dynamic business environment. And basically, I'll just connect that because it's one of the same thing. For business to survive, you need to be creative and looking at the market dynamics. And one of the common market dynamics is adaptation of digital marketing in our businesses. What we mean is that digital marketing can be, assuming, let's say we have the social media handles that every business person nowadays has to create. That is the Facebook, we have Instagram, we have the latest, which is TikTok. We also have, what else, Twitter. So basically it is where you want to create your content to pass your product to the people. So what in the adaptability, it means that any business that is currently in this generation has to transit from the traditional ways of advertising to the digital platforms. If you have, let's say, a dairy farm in Meru, and you don't have, let's say, even a Facebook account, it means the adaptation in this case, you need to create a platform so that people can know about your services. And that way, people can reach out and give you orders. Because the generation that also, the youth that we have right now, they are tech savvy. Anything they want, they check online. If they want to know about your product, they check on reviews. So for any business that is still doing the traditional marketing, means you're going to miss out on a big market, a potential market that will actually grow your business. So any business needs to start adapting, getting to know what are the trends, and also comparing with your competitors, which platforms are they using online for you to know how to express yourself out there when you are doing your online marketing. The other thing maybe I'll mention about the adaptation is adaptability is a key to turning innovative ideas into tangible outcomes. It involves the willingness to embrace new technologies, methodologies, and paradigms that change the demands of the businesses. I'll give an example. You've seen the manufacturers nowadays, they are having their own apps where it means like you can order something online direct from the manufacturer. What happens to the wholesalers? Because initially in the logistic chains, you used to have the manufacturer and then we have the wholesaler, then the retailer. But we are seeing a system whereby now the manufacturer, let's say they're still making companies. They are coming up with the applications where you can now easily just order direct from the manufacturer or meeting the wholesaler. So when I talk about adaptability, I'm talking such as the people that are going to be affected. So the wholesaler needs to see what else can I do? What is this innovative way that I need to do so that I also stay afloat in the market and I don't lose my market share also. So I think I'll answer most questions because I know it will be also a question time. So I'll be in a position to answer many of the questions. Otherwise, thank you, and be blessed.
Asante sana, asante. His name is Nicholas Neto, sorry. You have a question regarding how you can take your business to the next level in terms of business, in terms of digital world. You can actually see him. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a man. Say many a man. Please just say a man. A man He is a working corporate. When I say working corporate, he is like a single gentleman like this, but he's owning 3 companies, representing 3 companies in this place. He's none other than Mr. Mato Click of Jikonis, Mato Click Sound and Entertainment, Bebwa Taxi, gani ingine mkubwa. Tumpigie makofi, asante sana kwa kukuja.
Thank you so much, MC. Umenifanya nimekuwa mkubwa. Thank you so much for the profile. I'm Martin Mudhomi Murungi. I run Click Entertainment. Click Entertainment, we do events, audiovisual solutions, sound systems, screens, live streaming, road shows, train DJs too. We help you celebrate your birthdays, your conception date, all those dates that you want to celebrate. We also run online taxi in Meru and Nanyuki called Bebwa. So I see many of our clients here, but because of course of the confidentiality and stuff, we won't mention them. We run Jikonis, which does food and drinks delivery. We deliver food from your favorite restaurants, again in Meru and Nanyuki. And we offer IT solutions, website building of apps through our company, Click Solutions Limited. Now, what I've been tasked to bring up to you is just a reminder of what you already know. The digital marketing tactics for small businesses. And I'll begin with a quote from Joe Shenov, which says, good marketing makes the company look good and smart. Great marketing makes the customer feel smart. Now with that, I'll begin with the first step that we use for digital marketing, which is search engine optimization. What that means is SEO means that when people search for your services or goods through Google, it is your business that appears as the first page on the first page of Google searches. So how do you do that? You achieve that, of course, one, by having a very good and responsive website. You can have that done by professionals. And the other one is making sure that you have pages in all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, what they're calling X nowadays. So search engine optimization uses keywords. For instance, if you are dealing with, let's say food, for instance, your keywords should be in line to what people would search for when they want to order food. That has been helped a great deal by the use of OpenAI, what we call artificial intelligence, where you can search for keywords of particular businesses. So your business, when people search for it, even if it's a kibandaski, has to stand out, has to be on the first page, whether it's healthcare, whether it's engineering, you use the SEO. Number 2, the social media presence, which we all know. Businesses have, we have 2 models of businesses where one, the founder or the director of a company or a business or organization becomes the image, is the person who sells a particular brand. For instance, we've known, Facebook, Zuckerberg, right? If it's KFC, there's a face of the founder, Sanders, right? But the others, we interact with other products, other services, whose owners we don't know. And we don't even care. The risk of you as a person being the face, the brand, and the drive of your business is when your image has been tarnished. Maybe you ni jamaa umejipata kwa ile site iko very popular sasa Meru, are we dating this guy? Now when your brand gets along those lines, you would want to not to have the brand going along with your character as a person, isn't it? Hata kama ni accidentally umejipata hapo. Number 2, the use of social media influencers. There are people who people listen to, and there are 2 types of social media influencers. There are those people who have artificial followers. You find people with so many followers, but when you look behind the scenes, they have followers from Singapore, Malaysia. So if you engage that person to market your business in Meru or in Kenya, they will not be of value to your businesses, isn't it? And there are those followers or influencers who have very organic followers. So you rather have people with organic followers who will talk to your target market. Number 4, local search marketing, and this is where your business has a location, as a physical location on Google Maps. Physical in quotes, meaning you've gone to Google Maps and added a location, your business as a location, so that if someone searches in Google Maps, we can see a location, physical location of your business. Because you remember, when you go to a new town, how do you get services you're looking for? You Google, isn't it? Google, the brand, became a verb, became a noun. People tell you, so you Google, just Google. So make sure that your business has a pin on Google Maps. That way, it'll be easy to find. Number 5, the use of short videos. Nowadays, research has shown that people are consuming more videos than just photos. So create very short reels or videos and upload them on your status, upload them on your YouTube, your TikTok. Make sure they are short, because busy people have very short what you call attention span. We want to, within a very few seconds, you have communicated what your brand is all about. Number 6, the small business can go an extra mile of having bulk SMS. Bulk SMS is where you get services of a service SMS selling organization, and they give you what you call a sender ID. For instance, McKinsey. So that when you get a message from McKinsey, you can know this is a branding company in Meru that is wishing you happy birthday or telling you about the offers they have. So when you get that message, then they influence your decision making. And of course, the SMSs are very short. They are very cheap, very affordable, because the latest market I know is 30 cents per SMS. And you know, sometimes when you send messages via WhatsApp, people have so many WhatsApp messages that you just flow up, you don't even read, isn't it? But when an SMS comes to your device, you're most likely going to read it or block it altogether. Number 7, have a responsive website, and have a responsive website that can be able to be accessed through a mobile device, because this is where we access our data. In fact, we say if your business cannot fit in this mobile device or similar that data talked about, tablets and the rest, then you're not really in business. Don't wait for your business to benefit from the people who visit it physically. And nowadays, so many companies that design websites, and they can do that affordably for you. Number 8, we say that data is king. And what you'll appreciate that if you have a business where you take data of your customers, for instance, if you have a website where people subscribe and give you the email addresses, it becomes easy for you to communicate to them, give them offers, give them deals, and they'll be hooked into your platform. Number 9, when someone buys and is happy about your product, kindly request them to give you good reviews on Google, on website. And if it's a company or business that you allow people to download apps, ask them to give you good reviews on Play Store or App Store. Don't feel that begging is too much. Just ask. Let me tell you. And you remember, when you're buying something, maybe it's an online platform, maybe you're buying from an online shop. Before you buy, once you identify your product, you look at reviews. What are people saying about this seller? Isn't it? So leverage on that. Ask your customers to give you good reviews. Of course, for them to give you good reviews, you have to have good business. Number 10, for your business, let your business and your people participate in local community activities, and have, of course, media presence, local media presence like TVs and radio stations. As I wind up, I would like to leave you with this quote, that people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Let your business have a story why you do it. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for your time. So let's appreciate Mr. Mato. Click sound better and better. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we all have smartphones. Please take out your smartphone tafadhali. Chukua smartphone yako. Chukua smartphone yako. Yes, chukua smartphone yako. I mean, please take your smartphone. Yes, your smartphone, please. So your smartphone, please. turn on the data. Please take your phone and turn on the data. Go to the Facebook account, open a Facebook account, that Facebook account of yours. Yes, open your Facebook account, please. We are on it. We are at it, yes. Are we there? Let's search Meru TV. Let's look for Meru TV Kenya. What I mean is, we are the people to make the people out there know that something is happening here. After a digital talk by Mr. Mato Click, we have to do it practically. Are we together? You are the person to let people outside there know that we are doing something important in this building up to Sunday. Are we there? Look for Meru TV. Look for Meru TV Kenya. It's Meru TV Kenya in capital letters. Meru TV Kenya in capital letters. There is a live. We are live. Sema live. Vulai. I'm teaching you some Sheng. Vulai. Sema vulai. Yes, vulai means live. We are live. So you can share that. Write something and do hashtag the Realtors Expo Meru 2023. Let people know that something is happening here. Let them come tomorrow up to Sunday. We shall be here tufunge mwaka vizuri. It is the Meru Realtors Expo 2023. Let people know that you have a stand here. You are representing your brand, that they can come and visit and get to know more about you. Said and done. Are we done? Are we? My name is Modoni Waroe on the social media pages. Modoni Waroe on Facebook. You can actually tag me so that we can move together. You can tag me Modoni Waroe. Waroe is W-A-R-O-E. W-A-R-O-E. Modoni Waroe. You can tag me so we can move together. You can tag me on that share. The post you're sharing, tag me there. Let people know that we are here because we are the ambassadors. Sindio, we must practice what we are preaching. Sawa sawa. Yes. Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome the MCA of municipality, Mr. Caleb Kebuko. This guy is so digital and he's so much passionate about young people, developing talents, developing businesses, and just making sure that we have a municipality that business can be done. Do you know there are places you go to and you want to open your shop and you're wondering, am I even sure whether I want to do this? You know, have you had such cases? Have you? You go somewhere, you want to maybe do an M-Pesa shop, or you want to open your business, you want to open your branch or your brand, but the town municipality is just somewhere else. So let's give it up for Mr. Caleb Kebuko, Honorable, the MCA of Meru Municipality. Karibu sana mkubwa. Karibu.
Asante MC. Good afternoon. You know, for me, I don't have much to say because I'm not so much in business. Unless if I thought tulikuwa tunasema kaende karundi, maybe I wouldn't have so much to say about that. But I really want to appreciate the organizers of this particular event, because one, it is bringing the right minds together. I've been sitting here and I've learned a lot from the guy who has been taking us through the real estate to the digital world and how we can take our businesses. I feel we are doing it the right way in municipality. And why is it important that personally I'm part and parcel of this gathering? You know, most of us don't appreciate the position we hold, especially the leadership positions. And as the MC has been saying, it is very important that one, we have the politicians also participating so much in what you're doing. Because the environment that you're working in is the environment maybe created by the politics. Politics is very important. I've been to praise this also, and when you try to do something, you want to establish a business, there are so rigid legislation whereby you can't be able to do anything or to work your business. So for me, I feel it is important that we have today business people who feel that it is time for us to speak, to share what you're doing. And as I was sitting there, I was thinking it over. How can we do it better? How can we have it the right way as going forward? Maybe 2024. Why don't you come now as business community and you come with some of the legislations that my brother would like us to come up with, maybe with the assembly. Maybe there are some laws that you feel as business people are not favoring your business. Maybe it is something to do with our tax, or maybe we charge you from the county government. Maybe how we license you, how we license your businesses. In fact, one advantage that you have as business people all around is that your earlier MCA, I'm the chairman finance, ICT, in charge of the revenues and everything touching on that one. Maybe the licenses and the like. Maybe I can be a tool that you people can use to bring some changes with the way we run the government of the day, touching on your businesses. The second thing I was looking at is the kind of businesses that are thriving in Meru. You know, Meru has been ranked the 5th county among the 47 counties as one county that is so much in terms of the GDP and everything, the CDP, sorry, and everything. We are ranked the 5th county in the country. That makes us feel that we're doing it right in terms of business. But I'm asking, how good are we doing in terms of now our pockets? Tunapelekea national government a lot of money, but when it comes now to our pockets, maybe things are not the same. So I feel that we can sit down with the county government, with the legislature, and maybe the executive. Hata kama mnaona tuna impeach mama sengine, hatujakosana. This is part of us, maybe the oversight and the like, because we need to sit down as a county government. I was telling some people that this government of the county of Meru is one county that is well blessed with opportunities, with a lot of opportunities, both people, we call them what? Tumebarikiwa na, we are endowed with resources, both human resource and even the resources themselves. And unless we sit down as a county, people working within this county, and appreciate what we've been blessed with, then we will have a problem, or we will not be able to actualize what surrounds us. So for me, I didn't have much to say, but to offer myself to the business people and tell you that I'm so much available. I'm always here with you. Let me know what I can do, at least to help you do what you're doing. Let me know, maybe you have a business. What can we do to better it? What can we do to make sure that you employ an extra person in what you're doing? My brother, Mato, what can we do to make that business of yours, the sound system, that it is the best, that when we want, or an event is coming in Meru, we don't go to Nairobi to get a sound system. What can we do to make it better in that line? It is something that can be achieved, but it can't be done by a single person. We have to sit, all of us, both the government and the businesses. So for me, I feel this is just the beginning. I see us going to better days ahead. Tunaelewana? So for me, I didn't have much to say. Nimesema nikuje nikuwa na nini. Nimekuwa nikipigiwa na naitwa mahali ingine, nilikuwa nimeomba my sister to allow me, akaniambia nisiende haraka, kwanza nikuje niwaongeleshe, but I didn't have much to say, but to offer myself that we are ready to work with you and walk the journey with you. Asante.
Thank you so much. We appreciate. Tumpige makofi. Let's make it better. It's not all politicians, if I may say, that come to us and do what he's doing. But then I have seen him on the ground working so closely with businesses, young people. I have seen you with AAR team, and you're always on the ground making sure that things are working out. We appreciate you so much, Mheshimiwa. We appreciate you. Asante sana. Tumpige makofi tana. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now we are almost winding up. We have like 5 minutes. Strictly 5 minutes, and in those 5 minutes we shall finish up. We get to introduce each other when you toko hapa, but this time round I want to give it to Mr. Mogambi Marius, who's here also to speak to us about the industry of insurance, because let me tell you guys, most people ignore the topic of insurance until your loved one is either sick, hospitalized, or someone has passed away. Sorry to say that, lakini ni ukweli, sindio? No kweli. Unalalanga hivi, unajipata uko kwa WhatsApp group kama 6. Hakuna mtu amekuomba ruhusa, but there's something going on. Then we're like, what if we had information about insurance and how we can secure our future, how we can secure the future of our loved ones? That is why we have health, or rather we have hospitals on board, and now we want to hear from Mr. Mogambi Marius about insurance. Thank you.
Thank you very much, MC. She's doing a good job. Makofi yake. You know, one of the challenges of listening to your mentor is that sijui kama mnajua kitu inaitwa kugega. Anything he says unakaa tu, yani that's wisdom. And thank you very much, Mato. You've mentored me so many years. I really appreciate. Yes, it's not supposed to be taken for granted. And Mheshimiwa, I want to tell you, sound yake is the best. We don't have to go out and look for sound from elsewhere. Sini kweli? Yeah, so we have the resources here. So my name is Martin Mogambi, or Mogambi Marius, as many of you probably know me. And I know that most of you know me from the entertainment scene. We've worked with Click and others to do events and manage artists. And like currently, we are working with Silas Mwenda, a Kenyan-based artist, born and bred from Meru, who is currently in the US. And very shortly nitawatumia code zake ndio mumpatie kura. He is nominated for an award called FEMA Awards. And it's quite very simple. I'll give you the feedback, maybe through the digital team. So I'll start off by just introducing what insurance is. But even before that, I'll just quote the Bible or in Proverbs 27 verse 12. All right, thank you very much. So the Bible, that is Proverbs 27 verse 12, says that the prudent sees danger and hides himself, but the simple go on and suffer for it. And I want you, by end of this conversation, let us be prudent. As the MC has said, truly a lot of us just take the insurance that is required by law. We take third-party insurance for our vehicles, or at least comprehensive. When we value our vehicles a little bit more, we take NHIF. But when disaster strikes to our businesses, when there's a burglary event, or there's a fire, or there are floods, that's when we realize that kumbe ningekuwa nimeinsure property yangu ama biashara yangu, things would have been better. And I want to remind you that insurance is just a simple mechanism whereby people transfer the risk to insurance companies, and then you pay a consideration or a premium. So your vehicle is worth 1 million. We are telling you pay 60,000 or pay 50,000, depending on the insurance company that you're dealing with. So that in the event of an accident or in the event of a theft, we are able to come in and give you back your property that was very valued. Most of the time, or because of the issue, the issue whereby most of us do not take up insurance, KPMG
actually came up and probably gave a very good conclusion that Kenyans look at insurance as an easy to discard product because sometimes we don't really feel like we need it, but essentially we need it. And it's not just for the big people like the mall here, even your small business, your SME, your online business, there are insurance solutions for you. So don't run away from insurance thinking that it is meant for the big boys only. It is also important for you to take insurance. Now, other reasons why we don't have a very good penetration of insurance is that there is low purchasing power. There is a focus on face-to-face interaction or sales. And that is where now we want to introduce and say that we need to look at issues of digital. And then there is also very poor civic education of insurance. This means that most of us do not understand why you need a fire and burglary for your stall, maybe at the roadside that you have been given by the city council or the municipal council in or the county government, sorry, in Meru. Every business is insurable, and I usually tell people, please take time to understand that the stock that you have, that 1 million worth of stock, you can insure it at very low premiums. Insurance is very, very affordable. Now, the government and insurance players are putting effort to ensure that we increase the penetration levels, and we see that more lives and property is insured. As a matter of fact, insurance is a dominant pillar in the Vision 2023 and Vision 2030, and there is deliberate move to make it easier for the public to understand the financial strengths that they need to know about an insurance company. Now, what the government has done is that they are pushing through IRA to have IFRS 17 as the minimum accounting system that the companies need to introduce. This means that you don't have to call Martin to find out how insurance A or insurance B is doing. You can simply go to the IRA portal, and the way that accounting will be done moving forward will be so easy for you to understand that that is a risky business, that is a risky insurance for me to put my business, because again, there is valuation of the capitalization of the insurance companies. You cannot take your business that is very large into a small or poorly capitalized insurance company. Some of the other strategies that the companies and the government are doing is that companies are focusing on digital platforms for selling increasingly evolving products. We've just had Solution Circle saying that they've partnered with AAR, which is to show you that there is a lot of focus on product development, and also there is presence for understanding, or there is a push for us to understand the social media interactions and making business to be much easier for people. Some of the other things and the most dangerous areas that we look at from an insurance industry is agents. Tunogopanga insurance kwa sababu ya agents. But since 2020, the government has set up very stringent rules for agents to be licensed. So do not fear to get to understand an agent. If I tell you my name is Martin Mogambi and I'm an agent, you can easily go to the IRA portal and check out my name. If I do not appear there, are we together? Wachana na mi? Wachana na mimi. Life is very easy. They've also established a new dispute resolution for mechanism for insurance disputes, so that we don't have to go through the court processes. And then the introduction of anti-money laundering and combating terrorism, financial fraud, financial laws, whereby insurance has been used as a way to penetrate the market or to clean money that is not meant for good for the country. Now, as business people, especially in real estate, I would want to encourage you to take up insurance products like contractors or risk. Every time you have a project, make sure that you have a CAR that will help to cover you against any loss or damage of the property that you're building, or even the material that you have. And even above that, once an installation has been made like this, it has lifts, it has generators. You can always take a machinery breakdown, because if this lift is not working, or the escalators are not working, or the generator is not working, there is money loss to this institution. So there are very many options that you can take for insurance. And again, even as you look at the smaller businesses, as I conclude, you can always get the right insurance for your property. For example, if you have a small business that you're running, maybe in the house, maybe in the digital space, you have your cameras, you have your MacBooks and all, you can always insure those things through your domestic package. You don't have to always take it away as a standalone product. So we can always have conversations around the insurance. I'll be around the whole day if you want us to talk more. But even as I leave, I want to leave you with one nugget, that motor vehicle comprehensive insurance does not insure you as an individual. It only insures your vehicle. So you need to have taken personal accident cover, or even WIBA, maybe depending on the kind of business that you're doing. So thank you very much. If you'd want to get in touch with me, you can follow me on Facebook, Mugambi Marios, and we can interact. I respond very well to DMs and even any kind of contact, and I really appreciate your time. And thank you very much to PRH Group and this wonderful Greenwood. Nimengoja bwana kusikia mtu akirepresent wa Meru hapa aita Greenwood. Nobody is going that route. Why? Tulisha soma. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Anataka tuchome, tuseme ngilini on TV. It cannot be us. Anyways, thank you so much, Bwana Mugambi. Let's appreciate him. Insurance literacy is something all of us need, and you also need to talk to your relatives in your shago right now. Mnanda ushago, sindio? Waongelesheni sana sana, mwafunze kuhusu insurance. Ikishindikana, mtafute expert. Sawa sawa. Yes. Right about now, we are having our last speaker of the day, and this is none other than the Director of Operations, Life Care Hospitals. His name is Dr. Manish. Dr. Manish, please, you can speak to us. Let's appreciate him. Let's appreciate Dr. Manish of Life Care. And then afterwards, we'll be having a short session, then we can leave for the stalls. But now, Dr. Manish, take this floor.
Thank you very much. And before I start my speech, I would like all of us to please appreciate this young lady who is actually keeping the whole program tied up. A louder one, please. Thank you very much. So to begin with, I feel privileged and proud to be a part of such a community, such businesses, such great minds from all across the arenas. We are having from builders, we are having small businesses, we are having interactive businesses, we are having financial circles, we are having insurances. And right now, when we are standing exactly at the Greenwood City Mall, which I'm having proud, and it exactly is a proud moment for us to be associated with this particular expo. It is not just, ladies and gentlemen, it is not just an expo. It is more or less like, if we see from a different perspective, it is more or less like we are at a picnic with various groups, and we just need to interact with each other to create synergies out of these different bunch of individuals which are from each and every field. They are pioneers in their field as well. So it is a brilliant, brilliant opportunity for all of us to come together on a common platform, and for that, I would appreciate the Realtor Expo people who had created the buzz, who had created this event, and who had brought all of us on this particular event, on this particular platform. Now, when we talk about, we have discussed everything. We have discussed homes, we have discussed money, we have discussed insurances, we have discussed interactive speeches, we have discussed SEOs and SCRs. The most important segment which ties all of us is our health. All these things can be enjoyed only when you're healthy. And when we are talking about the healthcare arena, and from the Life Care Hospital, our overall motive is not the treatment part. It is not the illness. We advocate wellness, because wellness comes far, far, far beyond than illness. A healthy mind stays in a healthy body. That's what an old saying is. So to get it done, what exactly we are supposed to do? We need to have all those things with us. We need to have that clarity. We need to have all those wellness checkups on a regular basis. And it is not just about that part. It is more or less keeping yourself healthy. Healthy nation grows faster. And that is what we advocate over here. It is not just one particular aspect, although when we are talking about life care hospitals, we are anyhow having all the possible services what we can have within our facility. And to begin with, just life wellness, that was just one segment. Then we are having segment for obs and gynaes. We are having pediatrics as well, orthopedics, sports injuries, neuros, vertigos, and I'm pretty sure that each and every one of us is very well aware of the recent World AIDS Day. So when we are talking about all those basic segments, the cancers, which is spreading, which is biting, and which is creeping within our societal roots, the basic idea is to come together, commemorate all these things, come together. Let's have the prevention drives. Let's have the awareness drives. And we are having people who are supporting us in all those events. The Meru County government, I'm thankful to the Meru County government, because Meru County government was associated with us on that International Disability Day. We had a walkathon for all those people. All those people are a part of our society. We need to welcome them. They shouldn't be feeling left out. And that is what the basic motive of Life Care Hospitals is. And Life Care Hospital does not have their presence only in Meru. They do have in Bungoma, Eldoret, Migori, Kikuyu. And we are coming with a lot many more. The basic thing is to connect the whole Africa, because we are moving towards our own motive, and that is a healthier Africa rather than a healthier Kenya. When we are talking about all these things, we would like us to present to the community that we are the hospitals for the community. Our motive is better together. And how, until unless we won't join hands, the society won't be better together. Our hospital is a friendly neighborhood hospital. It is right at the corner, Makutano Junction. All those things, what we can do and what we are trying to do. Our ambulances are always open for any sort of CSR activities. We advocate child education. We advocate female safety. We advocate healthy pregnancies. We advocate the vaccinations for the babies. We advocate a safe geriatric life. That's all we advocate. And we are always there to move as far as we can when we concern about giving it back to the community, because this is what we have taken it from the community, and it is our turn to give it back to them. We stand on the strongest pillars of ethics, empathy, efficiency, and all those things. They come with the positive energy, and that's how we grow further, we go further. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a tent downstairs where our executives are very much available for you. Our ambulance is there around the clock 24/7 to combat any emergency, God forbid, that shouldn't be happening with our expert lease. But we are ready. We are there to reach out to you. Now it is our time to join hands together. Let's walk through all these things. Let's walk through all those dark times, all those atrocities that might fall upon, that we might go through. The basic idea is that with the help of all these businesses, let it be the insurance and finances and the interactive screens, the houses, all those things, let's come together. Let's join hands. Let's go further. Let's create the awareness, just like we have created the buzz at this Realtor Expo. Let's create the awareness. Let's create the prevention drives. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, when I say Life Care would be the first person to join these movements, anytime, every time, anywhere and everywhere. Yet again, I would like to thank each and every one of us, each and every one of you, the business minds over here as well. I'm very much here to be reached out. My team is very much here. The only advocacy what I would like to do on the behalf of my hospital would be Life Care Hospitals, better together, and we are just a friendly neighborhood hospital. Always ready, with you, for you, by you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Dr. Manish. We appreciate you so much. Hey, si hawa wanajali sana. That's okay. So right about now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of us, a lot of brands, over 40. Somebody say 40. Say 40. 40. We have over 40 brands represented. We can see AAR Healthcare in the building. Kindly please just wave at us. AAR in the building. We can see you. We have Grace Park Hospital. Please, Grace Park Health Center Meru. Please just wave at us. We have SK Baby Shop in the building. Please, mommy, just wave at us. Mora, we can see you. Mackenzie, we can see you. We can see Pierre. We can see all of us who are here. Right now, I'd love that we stand up. All the brands that we are here. Tusimame tu kwa miguu yetu because now we are winding up. Tunamaliza. Sema tunamaliza. We have other businesses to take care of, so we shall all be going down and visit all the stands that we are having. And our viewers back at home, mpenzi mtazamaji wewe ambaye uliye nyumbani, hapa Greenwood City Mall, we have an expo ambayo inakuwa inafanyika kuanzia leo, kesho hadi kesho kutwa. Tuko hapa kuanzia leo, kesho kutwa. Wafanya biashara tofauti wameungamana hapa kwa ajili ya kufahamishana na kuweza kujuzana mambo kadha wa kadha wa kibiashara. Iwapo uko pale wewe ni mzazi, njoo hapa tuweze kuona yale ambayo yanafanyika katika mji wa Meru. Sawa sawa. Haya, cut done. Done, right. So we have businesses that we have here, we have corporates, and this is what I want us to do. This is what I want us to do. Unaona kuanzia pale mwisho, Afrigas, uko na team, si ndio? Wewe ni number 1. So kila mtu simama hapa katikati. Camera guy, my camera person, just come here. I'd want to come here to the front. Just come to the front. So kila mtu shikana na watu wako. Kama mko watu 5, watu wa life care. Kama mko watu 6, watu wa AAR. Kama mko watu 5, watu wa masters. Please hold each other's hands. Hold each other's hands. You can start. You go behind her. We are going behind her. We are going behind her. We are going behind her. Uko mwisho. Uko mwisho uko. Mushikane mikono. You and your brand members. You and your team members. Mmekuja hapa. Leo ndio ile siku. You and your team members. You and your team members. Quick fire. Kama uko peke yako ni shauri yako Mackenzie. Kama uko peke yako ni shauri yako. Ujishike hivi. Yes, please just follow them. Yes, we are winding up. If you are 5, shikaneni. If you are 6, mushikane. If you are 1, unajishika, tunajiambia woye. Kama uko peke yako na hii baridi yake, how dare you be alone with this weather? Aba. Sawa. DJ wa kwangu, uko tayari? So this is what we do. We are making a line. Tutengeneze mstari. Kuja nyuma yangu. Tunafuatana. You make a line like this. Unajua kupanga watu kubwa by the way is very hard kuliko kupanga watoto. So tunapanga hivi. Mnashikana after. Nyuma yao nani? Nyuma yao is who? Life care. Nyuma ya life care is who? Nyuma ya life is who? Solution. Uko solo. Hebu jishike tu. Jiambia pole. Nyuma ya huyo ni who? Nyuma ya solution is who? Grace Park. Kujeni nyuma yake basi. Hivyo, si ndio? Nyuma yake hivyo tukisonga. Mwanze ni sawa tu. So what we do, tunafika hapa mbele, mwenye na wa represent anaongea dakika moja, tunasonga tukiendanga. We are going downstairs. Sawa. So DJ, tuko pamoja. You do what I do. If you don't do it, I disqualify you. Sawa. You do what I do. DJ, kazi. Haya, mikono juu kwa kichwa. Namna this. Haya. Funny. Like that. Hey. I want to see that. Asanteni sana, tujipigie makofi. Tujipigie makofi. Dakika moja representation ya AAR Grace Park. We will have Masters, Stima and SK. You're the only people who's not spoken, and you.
Hello. Good afternoon. Hey, Modhoni, umefanyisha watu tizi, hata wakonja, hata wasalimiki. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Phyllis Moreithi, Business Development Executive at AAR. AAR, we are so new. Bado tunanyonya. We are open at Royal Business Park. This is our 5th month operating. And so far, so good. Thank you so much, Meru, for the warmth that we received. We feel at home and we really appreciate. For any medical needs, you're very much welcome at our healthcare clinic. We offer all services. We also do laboratory referrals, pharmacy. We also do external prescriptions, and we take all insurances. We partner with all major insurances, and from January 2024, we also going to do NHIF. So thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you. Tupige Phyllis Makofi, representing AAR. The tent is down. Welcome, Grace.
Hi, everyone. My name is Florence Jerry. Maybe we've met no watu wengi sana. Thank you for welcoming us here. Grace Park is located at Meru Main Prisons. There is a big building by the name Royal Union Square. Sorry. Now we offer services, health services, inpatient, outpatient, and it's a fully fledged. We have emergency services, and I think my brother can tell more. Karibu Kemfrey.
Hello everyone. As you've heard about Grace Park, our location, we also want to give thanks to Peerage Marketing and all the sponsors. We are really grateful for the opportunity. Grace Park, we have outpatient, inpatient, dental, optical. Na I want to also inform you, tunachukua mpaka ile NHIF ya kawaida.
Sawa sawa. Wako na tent hapo chini kwa mengi zaidi. Please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon again. Yes, I'm Kevin Mutembei, head of marketing, Stima Sacco, just behind you here. Thank you for coming to Meru. We are really delighted. At least we also love visitors. Meru is a good place. You will get business. Actually, it's a very stable circle. This is the second biggest circle in Kenya. Okay? And the first circle in Kenya to offer Sharia banking. We don't only care for the our conventional brothers, also our Muslims are welcome. Asset finance, we do up to 8 million. If you want to purchase a car, we'll loan you up to 10 million. So the real estate guys, you are most welcome. And any other person. It's open and voluntary. What you need to join, fill a membership form, attach your ID and KRA pin, and 500 registration. It's a stable circle. Next year we'll be celebrating our Golden Jubilee. So thank you so much. Na karibuni Meru.
Sawa, happy Jubilee na mnialike kazi. Sawa sawa, you're welcome.
Good afternoon. Kimathi Moria, Masters Cafe. Mine is very little. We are in the Christmas mood, festivities. So mine is just to welcome you at Masters Cafe. We are located at Njorincheke Street, next to Karen Hospital, or rather directly opposite to Farmers Center. Just like Grace Park, wako na inpatient, outpatient. Sisi Masters Cafe tuko na bakery, tuko na restaurant, tuko na sports bar, and we have a coffee house. Karibuni sana, asanteni. Merry Christmas.
The best in town, SK Baby Shop.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon once more.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm Zipi Gekunda, the CEO SK Baby Shop Meru Town. We are here around the town. First, I wish to appreciate David Derito. He has brought in a newborn baby. This is the 2023 Expo. The moment we learned about him, actually we learned it through Kimathi Moria, and we've really supported him to make this dream come a reality. So congratulations, David and the team. The Green Mall, we wish to appreciate you. You are wonderful. You've supported it so much. And want to believe, Melu, we are moving to the next level. At SK Baby Shop Meru Town, you can also get us on Facebook. Follow us there. Get to learn about our products. We have products for the 0 to 14 years, newborn babies to teenagers. We're dealing with shoes, clothes, and all the baby essentials and mother's essentials. We welcome you around. It's festive season. For the visitors who are around, you need to shop before you leave Meru, because babies must be designed for the Christmas. So with those few, I wish to appreciate you and have a good afternoon and nice stay in Meru as you enjoy the Expo shopping experience.
Let's appreciate her. By the way, they have a new baby in Nanyuki. Yay! Let's appreciate her. Wow, please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Justa Kajuju Mwenda, and I'm here for Michael's Bouquet. It's a perfume. It has a range of number of, woody, floral, and all scents that you would like to have. And it is of a good quality. It lasts you a whole day. It's oil-based, so you don't have to, put on the fake ones that smell like, something else. So it is affordable. Actually, you can get it at right now 1,800, and you get a gift, and then a pocket perfume, that is, and then it has oils, it has deodorants, and even watches. It is a South African branch. It is taking over the Kenyan market. It has over 50 branches in the country, in Nairobi, Eldoret, and Kisumu, and Mombasa. And now we are introducing it to Meru. We have a stand. Yeah, a stand hapo chini, first floor. As ukiingia tu hapo kwa lift, you will get it. And another thing, I'm a founder of Tire Hope Africa. It deals with diabetes. So I've seen AHR and Life Care. We hand a very big work in Nairobi, and also solutions. And everyone, you can join in this journey of creating education, awareness, and keeping people living with NCDs in school. So we take care of young children, teenagers, and young adults in universities. At least we provide for them, medication and all other things they need to stay alive. So this is a great thing that has been done here, and I appreciate, and God bless you.
Thank you so much, Justa. Thank you so much. Wavex, finally, tafadhali. Wavex, they are our internet providers. Kidogo, alafu we can go.
Good afternoon. My name is Patrick Mwangi. I'm the overall manager Wavex ISP, and I think mnatujua. Most of you, you usually use our products, and we are very proud for you guys, and we appreciate. Let's continue the service.
Thank you so much. I hope there's no brand that we've left out. We appreciate all of you. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now about time to go down. We are all marching down. We make sure that we visited all the tents and all the stands and all the businesses that we have here so that we can move together. But if you are at home, we are live on Meru TV Kenya, Tuko Pale. You can actually come and visit us at the Greenwood City Mall from today, tomorrow, and the day after, that is on Sunday. Wazazi waleteni watoto, because you have a bouncing castle and a great shopping experience on discounted rates. My name is Modhoni Waroe. Until next time, we say shirts down there. Let's do. Thank you so much.
Anuije no aranire no bichichia Meru TV na There FM okaigwa kuri nonto bote okugweria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone. Nandi no tume maoni jaku gukurokira email yetu iria ni merutvcomplimecenter@gmail.com. Kana turingire thimo gukurokira 0114 190 962. Meru TV, kionere mwanya.
Yes, niaje wadau, from me DJ Smack to you, as a Tetemesha family, we just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tupataneni hapa hivi 2024 majaliwa.